Okay, welcome again to everyone. Today is Friday, April 24th. In the year is 2020. We are in our English class number 11. And for today, we'll be continue working in our notebook exercises. So if you don't have some of them, you can write them, okay? It doesn't matter. The thing here is that you are able to understand the concepts that we have been writing and studying lately, and that you can apply them. Okay, so let's get started then. Okay, today we are going to start with the grammar section, and we are going to complete each sentence using there is and there are as we have been doing it. Okay, so remember that we must pay attention to the second part of our sentence. Okay, in this case it's a singular. In this case, sorry, it's a singular word, so we must complete with there is. Okay. As I have already told you, you can write there's instead of there is, okay? So in the second sentence, it says 6 strawberries. It's a plural, so we must complete this sentence by using the are. There are. Okay, let's go to the third exercise. It says 2 cherries. Now you have to tell me, what do I have to write here? There is or there are? Okay, the first word always is there's, right? So, what do I have to do next? Okay, write are or is. Okay, as it says 2 cherries, well, I must complete this by using the are. Okay, there are 2 cherries. And finally, we have a pineapple here. So it doesn't have any plural. Okay, if we had a plural here, like the s at the end of the word, well, it could be with there are. Okay, but in this case, it's a singular word. So the right way to do it is writing there is. Okay, let's write it down. Okay, there is, and we must complete the sentence, sorry, adding the letter A. Okay, there is a pineapple or there is a pineapple. Okay, so let's repeat this sentence. This sentence says once. Okay, there's a watermelon. There are 6 strawberries. There are 2 cherries. There is a pineapple. Okay, that's great. Now let's practice with the verbs, okay? Okay guys, well here we are with the verbs. What we have to do now is to complete the fill in the blank spaces with the right verb tense, okay? You have done this activity, this kind of activities so many times, so you can do it perfectly well and even without me. Also, okay, let's get started with the first one. Let me pick up my pencil and okay, we're going to start. Okay, the first one. It. We are looking for the third person, okay? So you can tell me what is the third person of it. Okay, well in this case we only have to add the letter S, okay? Remember that when we are working in the third person, we only have to add the letter S or ES according to each case, okay? According to each verb. Okay, let's go to the second one. It says love. And the third person would be, okay, loves. Very good. Okay, let's write it down. Loves, that's it. Okay, let's go to the third verb. We have swim. Swim. And if I need to use, okay, I will write it again because I didn't write the I, okay? The vowel. Okay, swims. Very good. Now, let's write down the past of these verbs, okay? So it's an irregular verb, so what we have to do is to write ate, okay? It changes, so it's ate. And in the case of love, we only have to add the letter D at the end of the word because this is a regular verb, okay? Remember that with regular verbs, we only add the letter D or ED, okay? And in the case of irregular verbs, well, they change, okay? So let's go to the third verb, and it says swim, but in past, we must write swam, okay? And well, here in the third column we have the present continuous. Okay, if we have it here, the complement must be adding ing at the end of our word, our verb. Okay, so eats, ate, eating. Okay, so let's continue with love. Loves, loved, and the present continuous would be loving. Okay, great. Ing. And in the third case, we have swim, swims, swam, and the present continuous would be swim, but in this case, we'll have, sorry, to add another letter M, and finally ing at the end like any other, okay? So let's read it. Swim, swims, swam, swimming. Okay, that's great. So this is a chart that you must have at home in your notebook. And now we are going to do a second activity. In this case, we have to complete each sentence with the right word, okay? Okay, yeah, I'm so sorry. I was thinking if we already did this exercise, but I am not sure. I hope not. Okay, anyway, I'm going to do it. Okay, in the first case, it says, my family, they're very special to me. Which one is the right word? Okay, the right word is love, right? Love. You know, the exercises are very similar, okay? And the idea is that you practice and maybe it's one or two things change, but the idea is the same, okay? Because at the end, they are the same words that we have been practicing over the last few weeks. So, I don't know, but I think that is the case. Okay, in the second sentence, it says, my brother swims in the pool or loves in the pool. Which one is the right one? Okay, the right answer is swims, right? Sorry, I was going to speak Spanish. Okay, so we are going to write swims here, okay? Remember that we are writing swims with the letter S because this is the third person, okay? Because my brother represents the pronoun he, okay? And for that reason, he, she, it means that we must use in the present the third person. Okay, let's go to the next sentence. It says, yesterday I ate pizza and chips, or I swam pizza and chips. Which one is the right answer? Okay, well, the right answer is ate, okay? It's the past of eat, and we must complete it like this. Okay, let's do the last one. It says Rita loves pop music, or Rita swims pop music. Okay, it's her favorite. Okay, well, the right one is loves, right? Rita loves pop music. Okay, remember that we write loves because this is the third person, okay? Rita means the pronoun she, okay? Rita represents the pronoun she, okay? So let's read all these sentences all together, okay? The first one, I love my family. They're very special to me. The second one, my brother swims in the pool. The third sentence, yesterday I ate pizza and chips. And finally, Rita loves pop music. It's her favorite. Okay? Well, this is the exercise of verbs. And now we are going to continue practicing, but with the vocabulary of the week number 2. And now we are going to work in the vocabulary. We are going to write in the right space with the words that appear in the box. Okay, we have watermelon, chips, orange, and peaches. First of all, we are going to read each sentence, and finally we are going to decide which word is the right for each sentence. Okay, in the first case it says, I eat my with lemon and sauce. Okay, I eat my with lemon and sauce. Okay, in the second, this is a big fruit, red inside and green outside. Okay, the number 3, I like on the fruit, they are soft and sweet. And finally, my mom gives me an for lunch. The name is the same as the color. So the technique here is to choose the easiest one. Okay, in this case for me, for example, is the second one. We have that this fruit is big, is red inside and green outside. So which one is green? Green outside and green and red inside. Which one? Well, the watermelon, right? So we are going to write here watermelon. Ah, okay, sorry. I don't know what I did. Okay. Okay, watermelon. Okay, and it says watermelon is a big fruit, big, red inside and green outside. Okay, so we cross out the fruit that we already chose. Okay, let's go to the next. For example, maybe the easiest one is the number 4. It says my mom gives me an for lunch. The name, we have the keyword here, the name is the same as the color, okay? And in this case, this fruit, okay, is orange and we have the orange color, so this is the right one. So we are going to write it here, orange. Okay, good. And we are going to cross it out. Okay, let's go to the next. It says, I like these. They are soft and sweet, okay? A fruit that is soft, well, is the peach, okay? So in this case, this word is in plural. And it says, I like peaches. Okay, they, look, this is the plural word, they, and this word is in plural because it has es at the end. So for that reason, I can match this word with this answer. Okay, I like peaches. They are soft and sweet. And the last one that is missing is chips. So is the word that I have to write down here. Okay, and I'm going to read it. I eat my chips with lemon and sauce. Okay, let's read the same sentences. It says, watermelon is a big fruit, red inside and green outside. Number 3, I like peaches. They're soft and sweet. And the last one, my mom gives me an orange for lunch. The name is the same as the color. Okay, guys, that was all for today. I hope you have a great weekend. See you on Monday. Bye bye.